Hey y'all, welcome to my bacon center. I had this built when we built this house in 2004, and I really enjoy it. I like having all of my appliances together, and if I don't have time to wash everything, I can just close the doors and come back to it later, and people never know what a mess I've got behind closed doors. So I'm not gonna keep y'all about 3 minutes on this recipe. I was talking earlier about we're getting close to the really big game that this country looks forward to every February. So it's funny, I'm not allowed to say the name, but y'all know who I'm talking about. So in my very first book, Paula, Deen and Friends, I had a garlic cheese spread in there. So that's what I'm going to share with y'all, because if you've got to go somewhere quickly and have a recipe that won't keep you out, it won't take hours, this is the one. Now it's an 8-ounce package of cream cheese, 1 8-ounce jar of Cheese Whiz, and this is a 15-ounce jar, so I'm going to use about half of that. 3/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/8 of a teaspoon of seasoned salt, which is our house seasoning, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper. So that's it. And we're gonna do this in the food processor. So I do love a food processor. Let me just make sure it's on good. So we'll start with the package of cream cheese, and then I'm going to try to separate this and only use half of it. That looks about like half, doesn't it, Eddie? You think?
Half a jar.
Half a jar. That looks like half to me. Maybe just a wee bit more. Okay. And we're going to put in our house seasoning, our black pepper, and I'm going to need the measuring spoons for the garlic powder, and it calls for 3/4 of a teaspoon, so that looks like about 3/4 of a teaspoon to me. Does it to y'all? Does it look like that? Okay, so we're just gonna process this for about 2 minutes. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it on. You know, this would be awfully good on a baked potato, or Teresa said that she loves it on a sandwich. I guess in the place of mayonnaise. Is that right, Teresa? With mayonnaise. She's a girl after my own heart, y'all. With mayonnaise.
It's good on fries too, French fries.
Oh, yes. What's not good on a French fry? My lips are my favorite thing on my French fry. So that already looks smooth, and we're not even close to running it for 2 minutes. Okay. I think it's been 2 minutes now, so we've got our sliced French bread, and we're just gonna dip it down in there and see. There you go, Eddie. What is that? Oh, that's the copier going. I didn't know what was going on. So what do you think?
It's great.
Isn't it good?
Very good. Yeah. I think you could very easily eat that entire thing by yourself if you're not careful.
Hands down. I could eat the whole thing by myself. It's so good. Now this French bread has just been sliced and not toasted. So you can do it like this or toast your bread. Or you could use crackers or tortilla chips. Whatever you want. So how was that for a recipe? Quick and easy. Love and best dishes. Happy game day. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.